Hey, bud. Did you buck anything you transferred over? No?
I noticed that no barbecue.
We booked the bungalow, right?
The bungalow. I think it's under
Let me just double check with him real quick.
Okay, sounds good. Take your time. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So this is Thor Island.
That's Thora, yeah.
This is Thor Island.
Okay. So Port Bolster
This is-
should be over there, right?
Yeah. So that's Virginia there.
Okay.
So that's through the point.
Yep.
That's through the point in Virginia Island. And then
I know roughly where you just the curve, right? Port Bolster here, Beaverton should be on that side.
Tuckalog Street.
Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
Hi, doing good. How are you?
Good, thanks.
How you doing?
We're good.
Are you Justin?
I am.
Justin, nice to meet you. I'm Juan. I've been the one communicating with you.
Okay.
Nice to
Good
meet you, man. Yes.
So we have brand new barbecues. Because
Okay.
when I bought Mitchell's,
Yeah.
the barbecues, I wouldn't feed a dog on. So I bought all new ones. But it's just the tabletop ones for now that I had to buy. But it worked. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. When I went over to get them. When I brought these out, I looked at it and I go, oh my fuck! I can't expect somebody to eat out of that.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't feed my dog out of it. They were so bad.
Awesome.
So, Bob, when you're done, there's over there this one right here. There's that
Can those lights turn off? They should be able to turn.
I assume so.
I'll ask him how.
There's a switch, but it's for right now battery.
Yeah, it's okay. Oh, you know what you could do? Oh, they have tables and everything. Just put the food up on the tables, I guess.
Yeah.
No worries. Is there a pail of minnows in here?
Pardon me?
Is there a pail with minnows in here?
Oh, there was one when I came in.
There's the pail.
No, it should be a 5-gallon thing.
Oh, okay. Not yet then.
No minnows? Okay,
No minnows yet.
I will get them right away.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, bro. I'm assuming these are not powered, like
So they are,
but does the light work?
but you have a battery
Yeah.
to last you the night.
Okay.
So as long as you're not leave it on, like,
It's okay. We got our own sort of like battery source, LED lights and stuff.
so.
I just saw a light there. I was
Yeah,
like, oh,
no,
that's...
there's a,
oh, I see. You got the LEDs.
turn off the battery.
Okay.
I don't know why we don't have minnows in here yet. I don't have any on my machine right now.